been in shelter in place for a couple of days, and we were all looking for a break anyway, so it really worked out.
So today we're gonna pick up some pizzas and deliver them to all the hardworking truck drivers that are out there on the road, keeping our grocery stores stocked so we can eat while we shelter in place.
Well, right now, they're getting shut down a lot of different places. Truck stops, they won't let them inside, they won't let them come into the restaurants. Some of the places will have drive-through, maybe you can go, but how's a truck gonna go through a drive-through at McDonald's? Not exactly. We get shelter in place tonight, so we're getting out one last time.
Okay, we just got our first keto-friendly driver. Super nice guy, drives refrigerated, but he cannot eat pizza.